Welcome to Sister Fefe channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, it's Sister Fefe. Look, it is getting ready to be a blizzard, okay? Look, I am at the, what is this, Crocker in Indianapolis. And guys, look, it is no carts available at all. This is crazy. People are coming in, getting ready to purchase their food, and we're on our way in to try to get some groceries. All right, pray for it. Okay, guys, look, no bananas. This is just happening like out of nowhere, and we're trying to pick up groceries. Wait a minute here. Look at Virgil.
You're gonna get full off of Lumpy Bumpy.
Look at the veggies, guys. All the veggies are literally gone. All the veggies are gone. Oh, let's get some lunch. He tried to steal, my husband tried to steal this. I won't put you on my camera. He tried to steal his buggy, okay? Look, all right, Virgil, let's get some lemons. Because they say that I need to squeeze these on my greens. Look, guys, no onions. This is a madhouse, okay? People are up in here getting this food, all right?
10 inches.
The 10 inches. Oh boy. Okay, guys, let's get our groceries. It is on the popping in here, guys, and it's terrible. It's a shut-in, guys, but this is our groceries, and we're headed home. All right, guys, we are finished, and we're headed home out of this weather. No, we're going to visit the elderly, the sick and shut-in, take them some food. Because it is super cold and they can't get out. So this young man can't get out. So we're headed there to help them. And hey, we're super excited about it. Whatever you do it as unto the Lord, so you can get your reward from heaven. All right, bye. Welcome to Sister Fefe channel, where you are welcome here.